I'm Fabio Menga and I work for Bizzmine as a QHSE Evangelist. Bizzmine is a quality management system and it helps manufacturing company in the pharma industry to manage the quality assurance process. This format has given us the opportunity to stand up within the industry of pharma and has given the opportunity as well to engage with professionals that have attended the events, but more importantly have the ability to understand the importance of a solid QMS. I was impressed about the electronic information of the product. In fact, what I'm talking about is the labeling that has become more and more important within the medicine and pharmaceutical industry. I was attracted about the insight shared during the conferences earlier about the importance of having clear instruction of the medicine for those who use those medicine in order to use it safely and as they should be, in fact. In my opinion, I think the events gives us the opportunity to engage on a human, personal level with professionals of the pharma industry. And I think the whole contest gives the opportunity to engage, delve into current pain points. But I think the added value is that you connect on a human level here. And I think this speeds up the process of potential collaboration versus a business opportunity. No-code platform, scalability, it adapts to the organization, so it's flexible, and a pre-configured process that gives the opportunity to have a much shorter installation, configuration, and therefore the validation of the same process if it gets customized and personalized to the needs of the company.